Hi, I'm Karen and welcome to Aromahead Institute's YouTube channel. This recipe is called Cedarwood Joint Care Oil. Joint pain can be a bit unsettling, and even the smallest daily activities are affected when our joints are complaining. I'm going to start with 1 ounce of trauma oil. It's actually an infused oil, and that means that it starts as plain extra virgin organic unrefined olive oil, and then soothing flowers are infused into it. This particular blend I'm using is infused with St. John's wort, arnica, and calendula, and it's made by Aromatics International. Into my trauma oil, I'm adding 7 drops of Cedarwood Atlas Essential Oil. Just open my cap and drop in 7 drops. There we go. There are several types of cedarwood oil. This one is a warm, woodsy aroma, and it's very emotionally comforting. Cedarwood oil is full of natural components called sesquiterpenes, and sesquiterpenes tend to be very soothing. This chemical family often shows up in oils that can calm inflammation and bring the body deep tranquility, and that's definitely true for Cedarwood Atlas. Our second oil is Juniper Berry. This is one of my favorite oils to use for any kind of joint pain, and I'm adding in 5 drops. Juniper Berry has a foresty, fresh scent with hints of resin. It's very good at stimulating the body's energy, just ushering out any sore, tight sensations that can prevent easy movement and bringing in a fresh flow of circulation, and it smells amazing. Next, I'm adding 4 drops of gingergrass oil. Gingergrass oil has a fresh, spicy, sweet scent, and this oil brings a lot of benefits to blends for any kind of pain relief because it contains natural monoterpene components that have been shown to calm inflammation. Gingergrass also brings a soothing sense of warmth where it's applied, and that's because it's stimulating the area. Our last oil is Clove Bud, truly a classic must-have oil for natural pain relief. I'm adding just 2 drops. 1, 2 drops, that's all we need. It doesn't seem like much, but Clove Bud's a strong oil, and these 2 drops go a long ways. You'll find Clove Bud in a lot of ready-made natural products for different types of pain. It's a warm, spicy oil, and like gingergrass, it makes the area of application feel comforted and warm. If you want to know more about the essential oils in this blend, there's a link in the description that will take you to a blog post with more information. You'll learn about some of the individual chemical components that make these oils so effective, and that's it. Now I'm just going to close up my bottle, give it a gentle shake. Be sure and add a label with the essential oils that you've added into your trauma oil as well as the date. You can massage this blend into any areas or joints that need a little extra care. It's great for fingers, wrists, knees, and anywhere you feel like you need support. And I really hope it helps you. It smells gorgeous. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Jenny and Karen here. Thanks for watching.
We have a number of ways for you to engage with our content. Follow us on social, tune into our live events, check out our blog, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And don't forget to take our free Intro to Essential Oils course if you haven't already.